is for ball, 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 ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for go. H is for hat, hat. I is for insect, insect. J is for juice, juice. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for water, water. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now you know the letter sounds. Sing them out and sing them loud.
A is for apple, A is for ant. B is for ball, B is for bat. C is for cat, C is for car. D is for dog, D is for drum. E is for egg, E is for ear. F is for fish, F is for frog. G is for goat, G is for grass. H is for hat, H is for horse. I is for ice, I is for ink. J is for jump, J is for jelly. K is for kite, K is for king. L is for lion, L is for leaf. M is for moon, M is for mouse. N is for net, N is for nose. O is for owl, O is for orange. P is for pig, P is for pen. Q is for queen, Q is for quilt. R is for rain, R is for rabbit. S is for sun, S is for snake. T is for train, T is for tree. U is for umbrella, U is for up. V is for van, V is for vest. W is for whale, W is for wall. X is for x-ray, X is for box. Y is for yellow, Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra, Z is for zipper.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel.